constructability workshop. And to be honest, we have done 3 constructability in last 10 to 15 days for different project. I think all of you or some of you are there in the constructability, so it is going to help me because your experience will help me and count me. So good guys, we know each other. Thank you very much for joining the session and your nice introduction. We will see a safety moment, and then we will see the agenda of the day. We will have the objective of the constructability. We'll quickly go for the methodology, and of course, there are various input documents are required. We'll go for that. So guys, I have a small safety moment. If you have something from your side, please feel free to add, or please allow me to share this safety moment. Guys, if you see, this is a very, important safety moment for us, for all of us, for operation, for construction, for maintenance, for site people. This incident, this slide will let us know why and what is the importance of accident investigation. If you see the first, picture where I am highlighting with cursor, this is unsafe condition. If you see here, the forklift is elevated and the load is there on the fork. So when you are not using, or when the fork is not being used, suspended load in the forks are not safe. It is unsafe condition. When you go right side, under the suspended load, somebody is standing beneath. So this is unsafe action or substandard action. So this can create some near misses or accident. If you go on the right, you are able to see that something has fallen from the fork, but luckily it has not hit the person. So it is a near miss. It has not created any injury. It has not created any loss of property. So it is a near miss. But if you don't correct unsafe conditions, unsafe actions, or do not investigate the near misses, finally the incident will happen. So the intent of this slide is, when we go outside, we should be watchful for unsafe conditions and immediately report to the concerned department to remove it. And when somebody is doing unsafe act or substandard act, so we must stop him, intervene him, correct it, so that he will not repeat the unsafe action. And if in case of any hypos, near misses, so this must be reported, investigated, root causes to be identified, and to be implemented, so that we don't see the reoccurrences of hypos, near misses, or incidents. So this is the beautiful system of the incident reporting system in ADNOC. And I am very familiar, and I am very sure that you guys are very familiar about your incident reporting investigation management system. If you want to add something in the safety moment, please feel free to add.